Welcome to this important stage in your Boreal self-construction project, the electrical installation. Preparation is the most crucial aspect of this section. This presentation has been crafted to enhance your preparation, saving you valuable time during the assembly process. We strongly suggest that your electrician watches this video to guarantee optimal execution. Before even considering raising the walls of your Boreal, a primary step is essential. Hiring a certified electrician. In compliance with local construction codes, they will oversee the preliminary electrical tasks. Remember, regardless of the floor structure you've opted for, everything begins with the foundation. For those opting for a concrete slab, ensure that specific wires were correctly positioned during the slab's pouring. For wood beam floors, route the wires beneath your floor, bringing them out at the designated spots. With the Boreal electrical blueprint at their disposal, the electrician will begin the task. Their objective: to install the cable. Keep in mind that each Boreal plan is distinct, tailored to your preferences and modifications. The wire installation is achieved by running the cable to the desired spot. Bring out the cable by drilling into the floor based on the precise plan instructions. This stage entails careful calculations and forecasting, gauging the required wiring, factoring in height adjustments, pinpointing the bespoke outlets, and accounting for other wiring needs such as lighting, hoods, electrical panel, and more. Reminder: the wiring should emerge 3 inches from the edge of the slab. It's highly recommended to label the wires distinctly to simplify subsequent installation phases and prevent any mix-ups. Within your construction blueprint, consult the electrical guide to confirm you've allocated ample wire length for each setup. Ensure your electrician has comprehensively reviewed and grasped the plan. Always have at least 1 foot more than the stipulated length. Congratulations, you've navigated the most vital phase, wire planning. You're now transitioning to the wall assembly phase. We encourage you to view the wall assembly video or installation guide for subsequent procedures. To pierce the thermalog insulation, employ a 1-inch electrician's drill bit. For optimal insulation, always drill from inside to outside, ideally from the bottom upward. Once cleaned meticulously, you can proceed to insert the wires. The installation process continue. Every thermalog demands measuring, drilling, and threading of cables. Remember, each opening necessitates urethane foam. Be careful. Besides ensuring correct wire lengths, remember that some wires are designated for specific series outlets. For external outlets and lights, beyond the insulating foam, it's imperative to seal all wire exits that lead outdoors using an adseal-type sealant. At this juncture, it's vital to continue your electrical circuit seamlessly from switches to lights or other end devices. Closely follow your blueprint to gauge the cable length needed between the switch and its destination. For ceiling lights, ensure a generous length of wire is prepared and positioned at the top of the wall. For mezzanines, diligently review your cross-sectional blueprint to discern the height below the final finish. For discrete lighting below the mezzanine, think about employing moldings to conceal your cables. For ceiling and exterior eave lights, ensure that you run the wires after completing the roof insulation assembly but before starting the plywood installation. From the interior, drill at the chosen spot to route the wire outside the roofing. Then, guide it to its terminal position, ensuring every drilled hole in the roof is sealed to prevent heat loss. For exterior lighting, route the cables across the roof overhang. It's paramount that each hole is filled with urethane. Should you encounter any uncertainties, keep in mind that the Boreal team is always at your service. You're now poised for a seamless electrical setup. Thank you for taking the time to carefully prepare your Boreal project. Happy building to all!